Yo, what up everybody, it's your boy Frenchiie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to restart your iPhone X. The first thing you guys are going to want to do is push the volume button up, down, continue to hold the lock button. Make sure you guys do that in one motion. Continue to hold the lock button until your phone completely turns off. Once you see the Apple logo, you can then let go. Continue to hold. If you guys need any further assistance on anything related to Apple, I'm that guy. I'll help you out. You can let go. And there you guys go, your phone's been resetted.